Hi, today I will demonstrate how to use a Huf Puf Kit, a ready-to-use pre-assembled kit for children. The Huf Puf Kit consists of a baby mask, a Zerostat VT Spacer and a slot to insert a pMDI. It also comes in a robust storage case. So let's look at how to use Huf Puf Kit. First, open the mouthpiece cap of the inhaler. Then shake the inhaler well and insert it into the spacer. The device is now ready. Ensure your child is comfortably sitting. Hold the Huf Puf Kit firmly over your child's mouth and nose. Make sure that it fits snugly. Holding the inhaler, press the canister to release one dose into the Huf Puf Kit. You will see the dose released in the spacer. Hold the Huf Puf Kit in place for 30 seconds while the child is breathing normally, thus inhaling the medicine through the spacer. Remove the inhaler from the Huf Puf Kit and close the mouthpiece cap of the inhaler. If a second dose is prescribed, wait for about a minute before repeating the steps. That's it. Using a Huf Puf Kit is that simple. Some important instructions to keep in mind. Clean the Huf Puf Kit at least once a week. Separate the two halves of the spacer by rotating and gently pulling them apart. Rinse both halves in clean running water. Shake out excess water and air dry. Do not clean with boiling or hot water, as this will damage your Huf Puf Kit. Replace the Huf Puf Kit with a new one after 6 months of use. For more information on the product, refer the pack insert or log on to breathefree.com, or you can call on 987-333-5577.